it's not the right thing. Hold on. Hey guys, Lightning.gaming here. We're gonna be playing the best game ever. Rubby Bird. I'm trying to move on. Choosing my here we go, guys. Go.
Keep it up.
I will. It's probably gonna be like a solid 4 minutes of me playing this.
Keep rubbing the bird. Good job.
You're welcome. But you like this little rub?
Keep rubbing the bird.
I'm rubbing it. You like this? Fucking bird. Doesn't look like a bird, it looks like a duck. But ducks are birds. Look at them feet though.
Keep it up.
Quack, you mother
Good job.
flipper. Ah, so did the flip. Solid, like 4 minutes of me just rubbing a bird.
Keep it up.
I doubt anyone would click on this video.
Keep rubbing the bird.
My high score is 8 minutes and I think 50 seconds. This is some good fine rubbing. What is that white stuff on them? Is that bird crap? Bird feces. Or snow. Or something else.
Keep it up. Good job.
Oh, you freaking bird. Who rubs an animal for this long? Just constantly.
Keep it up.
Some fun gameplay I'm posting. I haven't posted in like over a week. It's gonna be 4 minutes of me rubbing a bird as my comeback video.
Keep rubbing the bird.
I'm rubbing this freaking bird by hand. Some good commentary. You also just like click out of the video.
Keep rubbing the bird.
I am, bro. I am. Going double. Oh my god. Oh, so many freaking. Okay.
Keep it up.
You can see where my finger is.
Good job. Keep it up.
Yeah. 3 minutes. Some good stuff.
Keep rubbing the bird.
I am.
Good job.
I'm doing some mighty fine rubbing on this bird. Here we go, you stupid. Some mighty fine rubbing. Never rubbed this long. As soon as I hit 4 minutes, this is getting personal.
Keep it up.
I'm gonna rub you so good, you
Good job.
freaking bird.
Keep it up.
Freaking rubbing this bird like a beast. 4 minutes, it's gone personal. Rub, 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 rub.
Keep rubbing the bird.
I'm not gonna say that for like 8 minutes.
Keep rubbing the bird.
I am. Freaking rubbing this bird so good. You like that, birdie? Freaking like that. Better get paid for this.
Keep it up.
Keeping it up, bro.
Good job.
You're welcome. I deserve money for this. I would totally rub a duck for this.
Keep it up.
I don't understand. I was still rubbing. Whatever. Well, I guess that's it, guys. I doubt anyone would like this video. If you guys like this video, if you guys enjoy this video, like and subscribe. It's pretty good. Pretty good time. My high score is 8 minutes 50 seconds. If you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Join the Mini Nut Nation, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.